calculate each of the following parts of parts. So when they say part of another part, well, we're given actually a fraction, which is a part, and with the word of, and then another part. A part means part of a whole, so it's not complete. So I'm going to do one of those problems, and you guys are going to do the other. So for example A, let's write it down as the way they give it to us. So they use the word of, and right now we're gonna convert that to multiplication. So part of something means to multiply. So we have 2/3 times 3/7. Right now I could have written 3/7 times 2/3 as well, because it's of the 3/7. I could have started with this number first, but because it's multiplication, it's commutative property, we're okay to do it like that. Now, one way to continue is make them into one fraction and you multiply top number with the top. So basically we have 2 times 3 in the numerator, and then we have 3 times 7 in the denominator. So on top I get a 6, and on the bottom I get a 21. Now, and then you have to reduce. So this is an answer, but it's not reduced. And so the alternative way is, once I have it, so I'm going to say or, because I like this method a lot and I want to show you guys. So when you have multiplication and you have the same factor on top and on the bottom, that is like our giant 1. So we could cross it out. It's like 3 divided by 3. So in this case, right away we have 2/7. So if you see a common factor with multiplication, top and bottom, we could simplify. Right now I have to simplify over here. I have to divide by 3. It's almost like double work in a way. So 6 divided by 3 gives me the 2 on the top, and then 21 divided by 3, let's see, 21 divided by 3 gives me that 7. So we get the same as the other one. So definitely take advantage of this idea. So go ahead and try to do B on your own.